Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing and delicious agua fresca of passion fruit that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing and refreshing agua fresca of passion fruit, these are the ingredients. I have passion fruit color, extract, and flavor. I have, of course, the organic passion fruit from my garden, granulated sugar, and 1 liter of water. This is everything you need to refresh yourself with an amazing and refreshing agua fresca at home. So let's get started. I want to start first by making my simple syrup. This is the best part, making your syrup so you use less sugar than if you just add the granulated sugar to your agua fresca. I am using 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. I am going to put it to boil for a couple minutes. When the sugar has dissolved completely, the water has turned a little slightly yellow, turn it off, put it aside, and let it come to room temperature before you use it and you add it to your amazing agua fresca. And now I want to continue with my passion fruit. These are organic passion fruit from my garden. Of course, my vine has so much passion fruit that is just, I am completely blessed, let me tell you. When the fruit is nice and crinkly, just the way you see it here, it has a lot of juice and it's very penetrated with the flavor and the aroma. And here, let me show you how it looks from the inside. Every single one is different. Of course, some has a lot of juice and a lot of seeds, and some are a little bit dry, but it has a lot of seeds, and the seeds really give you that amazing and delicious flavor. Well, here I want to continue getting all the seeds and the juice out of my passion fruits. Let me tell you, the flavor of the passion fruit is so refreshing and so delicious. Look at the interior of this passion fruit. Let me tell you, once you make it and you enjoy it, you could even spoon it and eat it as it is. Look at this, so much juice. The aroma that when you open your passion fruit is so penetrating, you could really smell it and really refresh yourself. The flavor is just amazing, and the aroma, let me tell you, just out of this world. Once you make this amazing agua fresca, you're really going to fall in love with this amazing fruit. So much antioxidants, so much vitamin C, and so much properties. Let me tell you, you really enjoy a agua fresca with this delicious and amazing passion fruit. If you have a garden, I really recommend you to plant a vine of passion fruit. Every year, it'll give you more and more. It really gives you a lot of fruit, and you could really enjoy it in so many recipes. And here I am going to continue getting all the juice and the seeds out of the passion fruit. In California, it's really hot, and to tell you the truth, I am really going to refresh myself with the agua fresca. Of course, you could have a soft drink, you could go out and buy agua fresca, but it's nothing like when you make it at home. You really add as much or as little sugar as your family loves. And of course, you have control of how much sugar you add into your amazing agua fresca. I have about 1.5 cups of the seeds and the juice. Of course, if you don't want to use the seeds, you could just put it in your blender, add a little bit of water, pause it 1 or twice, and then put everything into a sifter and you'll just get the juice and not the seeds. But to tell you the truth, I really love seeing the seeds in my agua fresca. I'm adding 1 cup of the simple syrup we made at the beginning of the video. And here I have the extract, concentrated of passion fruit, color and flavor. This really makes a difference. Let me tell you, when you add this amazing concentrate of passion fruit flavor and aroma, you're really going to notice the difference. Even the color changes a little bit. The aroma that is releasing, oh my gosh, just amazing. I wish you guys were here to smell the aroma of the passion fruit. And now I'm ready. I have my pitcher with water. Remember, I'm using 1 liter of water. And now I'm ready to add the amazing passion fruit puree. Look at this. All those seeds, all those amazing properties. Of course, you could add some ice to your pitcher, but I'm not going to add any ice to my pitcher. I'm going to add ice on my glass. I don't want to dilute this amazing and refreshing agua fresca of passion fruit. And now I am ready to pour. Look at this. Like, subscribe, and share. And I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Done with this amazing and refreshing passion fruit agua fresca. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The flavor so concentrated of the passion fruit, just perfection made at home. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing passion fruit agua fresca with that amazing extract, you're going to love it and you're going to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. If you liked and loved this amazing agua fresca, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing passion fruit agua fresca. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye. So refreshing.